tennis, as everybody knows, is an individual sport, so it's really nice to play in a team event, and it's great to have all the top players of the country play in this event 3 years in a row. And I obviously wasn't part of it last 2 years, but I'm glad to be here.
Well, you being a player, how are you going to motivate the team members?
Well, I guess being a player, I know the emotions that go into it, and I've been part of various teams in my life, so I hope I can bring that energy and that positive energy.
Well,
Okay, so
it's going
ma'am,
to
you
be.
have served India so many years. Are you looking forward for any players who can serve India for so many years as long you have did it?
I don't know. I mean, I hope they can do it even longer. There are so many amazing players here. All the top players of the country are here, whether it's the men or the women. And I think that all of them have the potential to do well. I think it's just about putting in that work and hopefully God being kind.
Well, it's going to be competition, or is it going to be a fun night for you?
I don't think it's competition. Today is more about getting to know everybody and a fun night. But from tomorrow, it's all business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank
Great day.
PPL.
How excited are you for this?
I'm very excited. I think it's an amazing format. It's very exciting. And I think that something really good is being done for tennis for this country because we're trying to make tennis more popular. And tennis is actually a very popular sport in India. I think in every household, somebody or the other plays tennis. So I think it's really good for tennis.
Well, it's going to be a competition, or is it going to be only a fun night for you?
I think it's going to be a combination of both. I think everybody, every team must be competitive and must have a fighting spirit. But I think sport is also about having fun, and I think it's about winning well and losing well and learning from your losses and celebrating your wins. And may the best
So,
team
what will
win.
be your golden words to the team?
To give it your best. I think that's the most important thing. So my team is the Chennai team. So I'm obviously rooting for the Chennai team. We've got some good players. We've got Samantha, who's coming from Manchester. She's played a lot of Grand Slams. We've got Raja, Jeevan, Saket. They're all really good players. So I'm looking forward to.
All the very best. Thank you.
Season 3 night. So how excited are you for this season?
वेरी एक्साइटेड है वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि थर्ड सीज़न है और इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हर साल ग्रो किया है इस लीग ने एंड जब शुरू किया था छोटा था और हम लोग होप कर रहे थे कि ये ग्रो करेगा और हम बहुत खुश हैं कि इट्स ग्रोन सो मच आई थिंक अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स को एज अ मदर आई फील दैट sports need to be played a lot more. And Kunal, who's part of the TPL, and Leander, who was very instrumental in it, जब उन्होंने फ़ोन किया, my son used to learn tennis with them, and I said, यार, it was so good for him, especially in the city, कोर्ट पे आके खेलना. It's so good for your health and your mental health also. So anything that I can do to promote a sport, I was very happy to do. And also I was very happy to say that hand-eye coordination sport में सिर्फ cricket नहीं है, tennis भी है और it's fun also. And I love watching it. So yeah.
Okay, so
क्या
ma'am, last year भी
किस
आपने
तरह से
बहुत powerfully support किया था टीम को.
Yeah, we are the champions.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And तो इस साल किस तरह की preparation है?
बिल्कुल वैसे ही प्रे करेंगे प्रे कर रहे हैं कि हम we bring it keep it right with us only we don't give up the cup.
So since you said we were the champion, किस तरह से मोटिवेट कर रही हैं टीम को, क्या गोल्डन वर्ड?
Well, I think we have really great mentors in the team and they are going to be doing it. We have great players also. Rutuja we have retained and Radhika is our mentor. We have Saket this year. So, I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, ma'am. So this year international players are also there. So
Yes.
उसके लिए आप कितने ज़्यादा excited हो?
वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि कभी भी इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स भी आते हैं तो हमारे प्लेयर्स के लिए इट्स वेरी गुड एक्सपोजर एंड उस हिसाब से वी आर एक्साइटेड.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
थैंक यू.
How excited are you for the season?
बहुत एक्साइटेड. मेरी टीम दिल्ली बिनीज ब्रिगेड पिछले सीज़न की भी बहुत ही पॉपुलर टीम थी और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज़ हमने बहुत ही मेहनत की है और हमारी जो मेंटर भी हैं अंकिता भामरा, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत से सब प्लेयर्स को ट्रेन किया, मेंटर किया है. सो it's really exciting to be here and tennis as a sport like हम सब encourage कर रहे हैं. बिन्नी जी भी like he's encouraging. उन्होंने दिल्ली में ही told me कि पूरा auditions रखे हैं. 500 प्लेयर्स का एक टैलेंट हंट हुआ जिसमें से हमने जो अच्छे बेस्ट प्लेयर्स थे जो जीते उनको हमने उठाया. सो it's a great way to promote talent.
Okay, so ma'am, how it is important for our India to have such kind of league so that we can have great players and we can another event, Roger Federer and Nadal in the future?
Yeah, I think this is just the beginning. This is just season 3 है and season 3 है. So I think आप सब लोग जितना करेंगे, साथ देंगे सबका, उतनी ये लीग ग्रो होगी. हम जनरली सिर्फ क्रिकेट को ही सपोर्ट करते हैं, बट आई थिंक टेनिस एज अ स्पोर्ट बहुत ही अच्छी स्पोर्ट है जो कि सब लोग खेलते हैं हमारे देश में. So we should encourage the
Okay, so
players.
ma'am, are you looking forward for any kind of player, any player? Are you looking for any player?
We have in our team Yuki Bhamra, so we are very excited. I'm very happy कि बहुत सारे international players ने भी हमें join किया है.
Thank you so much. Ma'am.
Thank you.
First of all, I am really excited that the Tennis Premier League is actually happening after 2 years of not many fans in stadiums, of people playing in bubbles, of a lockdown. COVID-19 has changed the way of sport. Also, COVID-19 has had its own influence and its take on people's lives. And in that, I reach out to every family out there that's been affected by COVID. I reach out to every athlete and teams that are there that have been affected with COVID. And as far as today goes, the opening of the Tennis Premier League, I'm so happy that the boys have done a great job to bring back not just all the great players of India, the past, the present, the future, but also make it an international event, just as I had promised before we got into this COVID lockdown. So
Being a player, sir, how are you going to motivate the team, and what will be your words to them?
Well, for me, I think the biggest motivation is that all of us have gotten through this very rough time of a COVID pandemic. It's wonderful to see a lot of my friends back. Wonderful to see Nandan Bal, Zishan Ali, Goran Ivanisevic, one of my favorite tennis players on the planet, was supposed to be with us. But unfortunately, with the new strain and the travel restrictions, he's not here. But he's going to be with us this evening on Zoom. But we would have loved to have Goran here. Also to see all the international players come in, to see the best Indian players come in. My own team, you have Ram Kumar and the rest of the pack and Nikki and the whole gang. It's great to have the players here. One sec, hold on. Are we stopping? Are we going? We're going? I'll come back to you.